I mentioned earlier that there were secrets and sins in this painting that were an impediment to its salvation. Well, here begins the discovery process. Cleaning often reveals things that were not visible with naked eye. In fact, cleaning can often reveal things that were not visible with advanced imaging, such as UV or infrared. Infrared is often used to reveal retouching and old varnishes, but if there is enough surface grime and old varnish, the UV and infrared can't penetrate to that layer of retouching, and we can't see it.